Hello traders, today again we have Tom from Simply Forex, link is in the description, explaining you a simple yet profitable news trading strategy. Subscribe to his channel, and especially for this strategy I recommend to watch his videos about hedging, like this one here. Link is in the description because I think it is a perfect combination. So without further ado, here's Tom, enjoy the content.
Hello traders, Tom here from Simply Forex. It's very bright. If I'm looking very bright, the sun is shining. So guys, in today's vid, I'm going to show you a very simple news strategy that anyone can trade, guys, all right? It takes advantage of, the big news and quick movements, when price shoots off, when news comes out. And we're going to look at that in today's vid. And if you enjoy today's vid, guys, and enjoy the content, then, don't forget I have a channel, Simply Forex. Come check it out. So for this news strategy, okay, we need big news, obviously. So let's take a look at the economic calendar first of all, right? And we're doing this in hindsight. I appreciate that. But on Tuesday, the 14th of November, we had, this big CPI data. And we know how important inflation has been. And this was all worse than expected for the US dollar. All right. But with this new strategy, it could be CPI, could be GDP, could be interest rates, could be PMI, any of the big news you can trade this on, guys. Okay. But there's a few rules that we're going to talk through. Okay. So this was based on this news here. If we go back to Euro US dollar, this is basically the hour before the news here. Okay, so news is going to be released very soon. This is the H1 chart. And, we do not know what that news release is going to be. Yeah, is it going to make the euro strong, the US dollar weak, or vice versa? Nobody has a clue. Don't believe anyone who tells you they do. Nobody knows how the market's going to react, yeah? But what we can do is take advantage of that reaction in either direction. Yeah, because, news could make price shoot up. News could make price shoot down. News could even, just be very muted and it does nothing. All right. So what we need to see, guys, is this. Yeah. On the H1, we are going to do the following. All right. We are going to put a buy above the H1 highs, okay? And we're going to put a sell below the H1 lows. Simple as that, guys, all right? So this is the last H1 high. We're going to put a buy order up here, okay? So if this gets triggered, we're in a buy. And down here, we're going to do a sell order. If this gets triggered, we're going to sell. As simple as that, guys, okay? We're now going to drop down to the M15 chart. Okay, oh, sorry, guys, let me just delete that. Been drinking. So here we are, guys. This is our trade set up. Okay, so we're just waiting for the big news to come along, and, it will either come up and take our buy, and we're in a buy trade, or it could shoot down and take our sell trade, or it might just do nothing. All right. If it does nothing, guys, yeah, we just close this. We close this buy order. We close this sell order. We don't want to be in the news strategy when price isn't doing anything. We need a quick, decisive movement in one direction or the other. Okay, so let's play this along, guys. All right. Wait for there you go. There's the news. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it was very decisive. Yeah, in the first couple of minutes, this just shot up. So our buy trade has been triggered. We are now in a buy on Euro US dollar. Okay. Let's go back to the H1 now. Okay. So you can see this big movement here. Now, our buy trade has been triggered and we're in it. Our sell trade hasn't. Okay. But there's a few things you need to be aware of, guys. And at this point, we're nicely in profit. Okay. So first of all, you're going to have slippage. When news comes out, the spread widens. So your buy trades here, but in reality, it might not get triggered until about here. So you need to consider that on this news strategy. Okay. And then you need to have, a pip amount or a target in mind. Okay. So on my channel, we've been, you know, we've been toying with the idea of around 30 pips. So as you can see, guys, let's say we do get in here. Okay, we quickly get our 30 pips. All right. And then what we do at those 30 pips is we close 80% of the trade. Yeah. And then we let 20% ride, because we don't know where this news is going to go. It could carry on, it could skyrocket. Okay. So this is what we're aiming for. So at the moment, all good. This is best case scenario. We're in a buy trade. Everything's going well. And we'll see how this trade plays out. Okay. But there are, price could do this. Price could whipsaw up here, take out your buy trade, and then just as quickly come down and take your sell trade out. Okay. So, you need to be wary of that as well, guys. If that happens, you're just going to be in a buy and a sell. And on my channel, this is basically a hedge. And I talk a great deal on my channel, Simply Forex, about getting out of hedges. But we're not going to look at that today, but you need to be aware that that could happen. If you are interested in hedging, please check out my channel. Okay. But as it happens, this one went very smoothly, guys. All right. Also, if it just does this, not interested, get out, close this and close this. Okay, but look, you can see, if the news is strong, it can be a great, very simple strategy. Now let's just play this along to see how price carries on, and you need to let that 20% run. Like I say, we closed the majority of the trade here, but look, you could have had another 96 pips or so. So yeah, so it can be, simple, guys, is what we like. Very simple strategy. Need to be aware of a few things that I mentioned. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the strategy. If you have, guys, please check out my channel, Simply Forex. We would love to see you. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. See you next time.
So that was it, and now you can go ahead and start trading the strategy. By the way, if you need a good broker, I can recommend Hankotrade because of their low spreads and low commissions. It's easy to trade with them because you don't need KYC documents. You can just go to their website, register, and start trading. Give it a try. The link is in the description below. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video and the strategy. Subscribe to my channel and also to Simply Forex. Links are in the description below. If you have any questions, add these to the comments. Follow me on X, and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.